Oi boys! Let's go, let's do some training.
Alright, another day of training, boys. Let's have it. What's this? Let's try these bikes. I haven't rode the 125 in ages. Oh, I want to give this a go. I mean, we could do rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Right. I'll take it. I'll take the 450. $450 guy, mate. I'm a serious guy now. It's pretty cool. It's been a long time, but it's really cool. Alright, my turn now. CT 125.